Hello all, myself Dr. Shubangi Dere. I am a consultant psychiatrist at Mumbai and also a parental expert. So I'm happy to be part of a workshop at Better Birthing Experience Conference. The title is Framework for Perinatal Mental Health Education and Screening for Obstetricians. Perinatal mental health is very important when we are dealing the perinatal period. Mental health is one of the important aspects that we all have to deal with. And as an obstetrician, you all play a very important role in caring for the mother who is in her perinatal period. We'll cover how to screen in your busy obstetrician practice. How do you screen for perinatal mental health in that small contacts that you get? Well, mother is in a good amount of contact with obstetrician during her pregnancy, and we can utilize that period for a good screening. We can learn what are the early warning signs and how do we intervene whenever we see psychological symptoms and how to intervene to help her get a better birthing experience. So let's see you all. Thank you so much.